Hey everyone, boys and girls, circles and squares, welcome back to another free Adobe Premiere Pro CC video editing tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can loop your videos like you're currently seeing here on the screen. So you can implement this in many different ways and situations, whether you're creating memes or you're just wanting to create something cool for your video projects. Seeing that you guys liked and enjoyed my last video editing tutorials, once you have Adobe Premiere Pro CC open, drag, and then your video into the timeline with your song choice. And in this case, once you found the parts that you would like to loop, you nest the sequence by clicking N on your keyboard, but I've already have it nested sequence. So I'm going to double click, and in this case we have the video clip right here. First step into looping the video is you're going to want to hold down Alt on your keyboard. As you can see, it's going to copy, and then for the video clip you're going to hold down R to access the speed and duration, or right click and click speed and duration and click reverse. So now it looks like this. Boom, it reversed. Did you guys catch that? Or did you guys catch that? Now I have another nested sequence right here on the timeline, and this is the original video file. So in this case, I'm going to hold down Alt to copy and then drag, and then move it to the playhead. I click R, duration, and then click reverse. So now we have something like that. And if you guys do not have access to these presets or these options to nest and the speed and duration, then click over here to edit, and then click keyboard shortcuts, and then click nest, type it in here. Make sure the keyboard shortcut is on N for nest, and then for speed it's R. I have mine set to R, but you can change it to whatever you want. Click OK, and here's the final product of the video. Free video editing tutorial for Adobe Premiere Pro. If you want to see a part 2, be sure to comment down below, share the video, and subscribe for more. Catch you in the next one. I'm out. Again, if you want to learn how you can save hundreds of hours and money online per year creating content, click the link down below. Scan the QR code, and thanks for watching this tutorial.